Welcome to No Fear Cooking, back with a great dessert, a Bundt blueberry cake, and it's a recipe from my husband's family. Why are you laughing, Nathaniel?
Blueberry Bundt cake.
Blueberry Bundt cake. The beauty is we're going to use this form, and I'll show you and I'll tell you all the secrets of this wonderful form. I'm going to do the spring, summer, a lot of these new forms, and they're easy to use. But let's start with the part of the cake. We'll take 5 minutes. I'm putting the timer right there, timer, 5 minutes. And we are going to put cream cheese, a whole pack, 8 ounces in, and it's going to be room temperature. It's going to be 3 tablespoons of butter, room temperature. A cup of white sugar goes in, and half a cup of brown sugar. And then the rest I'll tell you as we go on. We'll go 5 minutes. I put my timer. Ta-ta, 5 minutes, easy to do. And I'm going to put it on number 2 for 5 minutes. All is nice and fluffy here, all the cream cheese and sugars and butter. I mix it around and pull it around to be all mixed. And now we are going to add the whites from the 3 eggs and vanilla until it's smooth. So we'll show you how we're going to take the yolks out.
You get a water bottle, empty water bottle. Ta-da! Do you see that?
This is great. And you can put it right in.
Yeah.
Look
That's
at that.
how I get my egg whites.
Yep.
See, it just sucks it right up.
That's very interesting.
Where's the third
Easy.
one? The tip is squeeze it before you go there and then put it right on top of the yolk and it brings it right up.
And I'm going to use this for something else. I'm not going to throw them away. So now let's go put all the whites in. Very nice.
And then vanilla as well.
And just vanilla. A teaspoon of vanilla.
And you want to stir until, you want to beat until it's smooth.
Yes, we'll do another 5 minutes. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We'll put the recipe in it. I'm sure if it's a little bit more, it's okay, or less, it's okay. And I'm going back to number 2. Come back in 5 minutes. 5 minutes went by. Everything looks very nice and smooth here. Let me lift it up.
Whoa.
This is great. You don't have to worry. You measure everything else in between. We need...
What are you doing right now, Mom?
We are adding the dry ingredients.
Except for the cinnamon.
Right, and 2 more teaspoons of sugar. We'll go there. 2 cups of flour, regular flour or bread flour, whatever you have. 2 teaspoons of baking powder goes in. And a 1/4 teaspoon, very small, of the nutmeg. Is giving a good, very good taste, the nutmeg, to the dessert. So that's all you have to do, very
Salt?
easy. And a teaspoon of salt. Thank you.
A 1/4 teaspoon.
A 1/4 teaspoon. All right, then we have it right here, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to do it in 3 pouring over the flour. I'm not going to put it all at one time.
Smart.
So it will incorporate a little bit better. So I'm going to start with, I mixed everything well in here. The flour is baking soda, and I'm going to put it back on. If it's a little bit flour going to sprinkle, it's okay. But I'm just going to go on 1 for now.
Maybe 2.
And you don't have, I put it on 2. It's a little bit too slow on 1. And you don't have to be worried, it's going to be mixed well. And then I'll go with my scraper all around the bowl one more time to be sure that everything is well incorporated. We'll put the recipe. As you see, it's a very simple but delicious recipe. One more time.
How long do we do this for?
In between this, incorporate. Maybe
Okay.
about a minute or so till everything is done. And the last step is going to be blueberries added to the mix. So that will come very soon, 2 cups. And when I start this, I'll tell you it's amazing. Hello, Nathaniel, don't play. I'm going to come around with this. I'm going to get you a little bit loose. Can I put it in here?
No.
Let me see.
Yeah, that's sugar.
Delicious.
No
Yeah.
sugar.
No sugar for Nathaniel.
No sugar.
All right, I'm stopping. All right. This was the last step. Well, not the last step. Last step to mix with the mixer. Isn't it creamy and nice? And how easy?
It's crazy.
Let's mix with the hand a little bit around to be sure everything is in. Yes, it is. Look at the bottom. What a wonderful dough. And the cream cheese, I just love this recipe. Now let's put the blueberries.
We're gonna fold them in, right?
Fold the blueberries in. All the blueberry goes to cups in. And we'll mix them in. It's an explosion of blueberries in this wonderful cake. It's giving such a good moisture, the taste. And blueberries are very healthy. So I would do this cake once a week. That's how much I love it. I shouldn't though. I melted 2 teaspoons of butter, and I have this pan, that's the secret, in the refrigerator to stay cold. And now try to go in every nook.
So the pan is just out of the fridge. How long did you keep it in there for? It's cold.
For about 20 minutes. This way the butter really sticks nice and nothing will be sticking when you take your dessert out, because that's the key.
Because the butter like cools off.
Yep,
Right.
butter, yes. And stick to the pan. Very nice. Every nook, yep, just go in. Now, let's put it in our prepared pan, and the oven is already at 350. I'm going to... Bobby, where are you today?
He's on the floor.
He's on the floor. So I'm going to put a little bit in each part of the pan. Oh, I'm in a hurry. And look what I did. It's okay.
Mom.
I know, it's all right. And then I'm going to shake the pan a little bit because it's okay. I know. You can see I didn't do a little bit cooking
Mom,
for a while.
you threw it on the floor.
Oh. I'm so excited.
Look who found it. Look who found it.
Babbitt. That's what happens in the kitchen, Nathaniel. You think everything will be perfectly clean. Okay, Babbitt, thank you for cleaning up.
Oh.
Let me look. Okay, come here. Come back here, Nathaniel. Babbitt, and I have a little bit more. Maybe another slice. I'm not going to leave it here. It's going to go in. And at the end, we're having 2 tablespoons of white sugar with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Yeah, and we'll top it. And then goes right in the oven. Very little bit of work, isn't it? But delicious. So glad you could watch this new dessert. It's going in the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Whoa.
I'll check it in 1 hour and 10 minutes with a stick to see if it's ready, and then we'll pull it out. So we'll see it in 1 hour and 10 minutes. We'll check on. Thank you. 1 hour and 10 minutes. I would like to see how easy it is. Check it if it's ready. And it's all dry. All dry. It's going to take about 10 minutes to rest before I can turn it around. So I'm a little bit nervous. I hope this time it's coming perfectly out from this beautiful pan. Couple minutes and we'll be back. I'm going to put this here because it's very hot. Let me bring it here, and we are going to try it together. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's see. A little bit. It's a little bit hot still. It's coming. Let me try it. Wow! Look at this. Perfect inside. Nothing was sticking to. Absolutely beautiful against these beautiful flowers. We have flowers in the garden, so we have to use them now. The brown sugar, the cinnamon gave a good taste to the cake. If you like to, you can do a little bit of the sugar with vanilla. If you like it with maybe a little bit something else, go for it. But I'll just a little bit dust, a little bit powder. I think the cream cheese holds the blueberry all over. They don't just go sinking at the end. They're all over. So with this, I'm going to say, try it, write me a note, like the recipe, and we'll come back with more. Happy, healthy, terrific day. Pofte bună, enjoy it, manja manja.